So here we are, there's the rental car due to the fact that we've had dramas with our Chevy, and we've come in where we're actually here today was supposed to be the day of handover and pick up our new van. As we're wandering along, I've just asked them for the keys so we can have a look through it, and here's the keys. Brand new van, there we go. Big yellow mellow. I'll have to try and figure out a name for her. This has been just over 2 years build and wait for this to come. So we've put our own camera on it from GMSV, so I'll make sure that that's actually been done. I think it's that one there, or it should be that one there to go into the back of my truck. But as you can see, she's off-roader. She's quite big. I was not expecting how big the big girl is. Yep, that looks exactly the same as the one we've ordered and sent to them. I actually like the point of these new style windows. That's fantastic. I was not expecting to actually have that. Mickey Thompson's on her. DO45 on her. Beautiful. Right. It's underneath it. All the protection underneath, airbags underneath. See these airbags. Oh, well, I'm absolutely stoked. Finally, this is happening. Let's go and have a look inside. Righto, here we go. You're seeing it when I see it. I have no idea. And well, hang on a second. We're in the wife soon, and she's not here, and we'll share this moment together. I'll just flick it off for a second. Righto, we've got the missus on the phone. You want to wave? Missus is on the phone. I'll give her to Chad. Keys are in the door. We haven't even looked in this door yet, and we're all about to see this at the same time. Hello guys, here we are, handover day. We are in Burleigh Heads picking up our van, and we are absolutely stoked. This van looks amazing. So we finally fixed all the problems we've had with our truck, which you will see in another video. But here we go. Truck's here, and we spin around. Here's the van, big yellow girl. So we've gone with a Urban 21.9 foot, I think it is, or 21.6 off-road. No, it's a X-Treme model. I'll give you a bit better of a look. So we're only able to get down the side of it. It's parked in still at the moment. They're just about to move somebody else's out and pull ours out. But we are absolutely stoked with this. So we'll give you a bit more footage on it a little bit later, and a bit more of a rundown as we go, and start heading home, our 3-day trip home. I'll see you soon, guys.